everything you do in your marriage will either do one thing or the other, either build it up or tear it down. And a lot of people are taking action based on their emotional states, and they're tearing down their marriages. Even as men, we do that. When we get angry and react in anger, we break the marriage. That's not how to build a marriage. We must learn to respond in ways that build a marriage, even when our spouses, when your wife is acting in a way that's destroying the marriage, you act in ways that build the marriage. You break that cycle, that downward spiral that you can fall into. And so if you are listening to me right now and your wife is maybe any more than you, and whenever she speaks in ways to you that you sense condescending and condemning and judging, and you are wondering, how do I deal with that? I want to let you know that this video will be of benefit to you. If you are also, maybe the problem is not the money, the problem is just your wife just thinks that your decision making is poor, and she has concluded, maybe you made one mistake one time or the other, and she has concluded that you are not ever going to make any good decision, and you feel that that's what you feel. But you know also that God has called you to a marriage of a lifetime. She is your spouse, and you want to fix that. Then this will be a good video for you. The first thing I want you to take note of is that a wife will disrespect their husband not intentionally. They don't intend to disrespect. What happens is that they think about certain things, and without knowing, it begins to come out of them. So their behavior is a product of some wrong thoughts that are going on in the mind. And so if you want to correct, if you want to continue to live like Jesus lives with you, the first thing that you want to recognize is that your wife is not the enemy. There's an enemy that's imputing thoughts into her, just like Eve, and the same with Adam. So we all have the same problem. The thoughts come, and if you don't deal with them properly and we accept them, they show forth. And so this is where the problem is coming from. So your wife is not intentionally disrespecting you. She is just reacting based on some data, inaccurate data, because she has just what she can see. She doesn't know your thoughts. She doesn't know your intentions. She sometimes doesn't even know what God is doing in her own life. Just like we do. We don't know everything. We don't know the intentions of our spouses, our wives. We don't know why they do what they do. We don't know what God is working in their hearts. And so when they do that, their natural way of reacting would be, I'm not being loved by you, and so I'm going to just react. And when they react, it comes out as disrespect. So when they feel that they are not being loved, that your decision making doesn't show that you care about them. Now, this is what your wife is looking for. She's looking for a person that cares and knows the things that she's going through, and wants to be involved and enrolled in helping her become all that God has called her to be. When she senses that, she automatically responds with respect. Now, you may say, oh, but my wife is not like that. God has designed everyone like that. When anybody enrolls themselves to serve you and move you forward, you will automatically respond in ways that show them that you also care and you want to move them forward. It so happens that most men respond very positively to respect, and most women respond very positively to care. And so when you discover that your wife is disrespectful in her words, disrespectful in her attitude, you need to check something. This is what I do. You check how you are responding to your head, that is Christ Jesus. If you find that you are not modeling complete respect to Jesus, who commanded us to love one another and to love unconditionally, if you find that you're not doing that, you then fix that.